In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog post in WordPress. By the end, you'll feel confident going from a blank dashboard to a published article that looks great and is easy for readers to find. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center where you manage everything on your site. Once you're in, you'll notice a menu on the left with options for posts, media, pages, and more. That left-hand menu is where you'll spend most of your time when creating content. Next, head to Posts and choose Add New. This opens the editor for a fresh post. At the top, you'll see a space for your title, and below it, the content area. WordPress uses a block-based editor, which means everything. Paragraphs, images, headings, acts like a block you can add, move, or customize. Start by entering a clear, descriptive title. Aim for something that tells readers exactly what they'll get. Then move into the content area and begin writing your post. Use short paragraphs, add headings to break up sections, and include relevant images where it helps the reader. The formatting toolbar lets you add bold text, lists, quotes, and links to make your content easier to scan. If you need to insert an image inside your post, add an image block and upload or select a file from your media library. As you write, think about your audience's questions and make your explanations simple and actionable. With your core content in place, it's time to organize it. On the right-hand side, you'll find the settings to add a category, tags, and a featured image. Categories are broad topics that group related posts like tips, guides, or news. Choose the one that fits best so visitors can find similar content quickly. Tags are more specific keywords that describe details in your post. Add a few relevant tags to help with search and navigation, but keep them focused. For the featured image, pick a high-quality, on-topic image that represents your post. This is the thumbnail people will see on your blog archive and social feeds, so choose something visually clear and compelling. Add alt text to describe the image for accessibility and better context. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your post will go live on your site, ready for readers. Remember, you can edit and update at any time if you spot a typo or want to improve something later. That's it. You've created and published a blog post in WordPress. Thanks for watching and happy writing.